Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneLake connections in Microsoft Fabric, full guide step by step clearly. First, open Microsoft Fabric on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard to access your workspace. Locate the settings icon in the top right corner and click on it. In the settings menu, find the option for OneLake connections. Click to expand the OneLake connections section. You will see an option to activate connections. Click on the activation toggle to enable OneLake connections. Once activated, you may need to configure specific connection settings. Select the type of data sources you plan to connect. Enter the required authentication details for each data source. After entering the details, click the Test Connection button to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, click Save to finalize your settings. Return to the main dashboard and check the Data Sources panel. You should now see your OneLake connections listed. Click on each connection to verify that data is flowing as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit the connection settings to troubleshoot. Once everything is functioning properly, you can begin utilizing OneLake in your projects. This concludes the activation process for OneLake connections in Microsoft Fabric. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.